Good evening, guys. Um, this is this is a Chinese guy tutorial. My name is Alex. On today's video, I will teach you guys 2016 photo physics text past questions with these 5 questions. Now I have this. We have question one. Question one say that given that impulse is a product of force and time. Now we have to find the dimension of impulse. Again, given that impulse is a product of force and time, we also find the dimension of force. Solution to solve this, you know that since they say that impulse equals what force times the product of force times time, so it means that impulse is I, that's I is equals to force times time. Now, for us to find dimension of this impulse, I have to first find the dimension of each component. So therefore, the dimension of force is what, the force equals what, mass times acceleration. So which equals what, mass times what, acceleration is meter per second square, right? So which is what, now taking the dimension of force, the dimension of force here is what, dimension of mass is capital M, dimension of meter is what, is length. Okay, now why dimension of time is what, is t. So I know that this per here means over x square, so that becomes over t square. I know that this per is something as 1 over x squared, which is something as x raised to power minus 2. So where x is what, where the dimension for x is what, is t. So that becomes capital T minus what, 2. That's what I wrote here. Okay, so therefore this is the dimension for what, for this is the dimension for for force. Now therefore let's find the dimension for time. I know that dimension for time is something as what, capital T. So therefore impulse is equals to what, dimension for force times dimension for time, and the dimension of force it was what, this, and now dimension for time is what, is capital T. So that becomes equals impulse equals what, M L T. Now if you check this T, there are two T here, so I have to collect one. So by using laws of unity, that becomes T. You know that time changes to what, plus, that becomes what, just power minus 2. Now if you check this T has a what, power of 1, so that becomes minus 2 plus 1. So that will give you M L T raised power minus 2 plus 1 give you what, minus 1. So therefore dimension for impulse is what, M L raised power M L T raised power what, minus 1. That's one answer. Now I have question number 2. So I have question number 2 says that we have to say that if a vector A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, and another vector B is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Now we have to find A minus B. Solution to solve this. So since they say that vector A is what, I plus 2j plus 3k, and vector B is what, 2i minus 3j plus 4k. So to find vector A minus B is equal to what, vector A in bracket I plus 2j plus 3k minus every vector what, B, vector B in bracket. So that becomes I plus 2j plus 3k. Now open this bracket by multiplying everything inside here by minus. So minus times plus here is minus 2i. Minus times minus will give you plus 3j. Minus times plus here will give you minus 4k. So by collecting like terms, I have that I minus 2i is something as minus I plus 2j plus 3j will give you what, plus 5j. Then 3k minus 4k will give you what, minus k. So this is the answer. Very simple. Now question number what, 2b. Question number 2b say that we have to find the angle between two vectors. A equals to 8i minus 3j plus 2k, and B equals to 5i plus 6j minus 3k. So how to do the solution? We have to find the angle between these two vectors. Now given that since that our vector A is 8i minus 3j plus 2k, and our vector B is 5i plus 6j minus 3k. So now to find the angle between them is what, by using the formula cos theta is equal to find angle between a vector, use this formula. Cos theta is equal to what, A dot B all over magnitude of A times magnitude of what, B. This dot means times. So that becomes, now A dot B means A component multiplied by what, B component. That is what, A component is this, and B component is what, is this. So that becomes 8 times 5 is what, is 40. That is I to I, J to J, and K to K. So that becomes 8 times 5 is what, is 40. Minus 3 times plus 6 will give you what, minus 18. And plus 2 times minus 3 will give you what, minus 6. So 40 minus 18 minus 6 will give you what, 16. So after doing that, keep my hands apart. Now I'll do for magnitude of A. So therefore magnitude of A here is what, so this is a component. That becomes square root of A complement, which is what? That is square root of square every component of a. That is a square plus minus 3 all square plus 2 all square. So that is a squared is what? 64. Minus 3 square is minus 3 times minus 3, which is what? Positive 9. 2 squared is what? Is 4. So add everything, I'll give you square root of 77. So square root of 77 is the same thing as what? 8.77. Okay. Now after doing that, what's next? I have to find the word magnitude of what? B. So that is square root of square the whole component of b. 5, that is become 5 square plus 6 square plus minus 3 square. So which is equal to now 5 square is what? 25. 6 square is 36. Minus 3 square is what? Is plus 9. Okay. So this becomes, add everything, I will give you what? Square root of 70. So square root of 70 is the same thing as what? 8.37. Right? So put everything here into this formula. So I have that cos theta is equal to a dot b. My answer for a dot b was what? 16 over. My answer for magnitude a is what? 8.77 times answer for magnitude b was what? 8.37. Okay, so that becomes this. So cos theta is equal to 16 all over. This times will give you what? 73.4. So 16 into this will give you 0.22. So after doing that, now cos theta is equal to 0.22. Therefore, theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of 0.22, which is what? 67.38 degrees. This is the word answer. Very simple. Now number 3. Number 3 say that we have to, number 3 say that the position of a particle is given in meters. S equals to 9.75 plus 1 t cube. Now, where t is in 1 seconds, find the instantaneous acceleration at t equals to 3 seconds. Now, in this is a position given to us. Now, we have to find the instantaneous acceleration at t equals to 3 seconds. Solution to solve this, since this x is a distance, so x is equals to what? 9.75 plus 1.5 t cube. Now, note that differentiating the position of x, and also note that when you differentiate once, you get the word velocity. Why when you differentiate twice, you get the word acceleration. You understand? So let's continue. So since the distance is this, now I want to find my velocity. To find my velocity, I have to differentiate this once. So I know that you know that in differentiation, when differentiating a whole number or a decimal without an alphabet attached to it, you call this word 0. So plus differentiate is the same thing as what? 1.5 times 3 times 3 raised to power 3 minus 1. Since differentiation simply means is simply the power of minus 1. Okay, so that becomes 0 plus 1.5 times will give 4.5 t raised to power square. So this is the answer for velocity, 4.5 t square. So after doing that, so I want to find my acceleration. My acceleration is, to find acceleration, differentiate velocity. So differentiate velocity here is, it becomes 4.5 times 2 times t raised to power 2 minus 1. So 4.5 times 2 will give you what? 9. 2 minus 1, that remains t. Okay, so after doing that, now acceleration, acceleration equals 90. So put it, know that t was what? 3 seconds. So put t equal 3 seconds in this. So that becomes 9 times 3 will give you 27 meter per second square. So therefore acceleration is equals to what? 27 meter per what? Seconds what? Square. Okay, so I have question number 4. Question number said that a missile was projected to what? To hit a target 500 meters away. Now we have to calculate the angle of projection if the initial velocity was 100 meters per second. Now solution, given that our horizontal distance here is the range, which is a missile was projected to hit a target of 500 meters away, that is the distance. So our horizontal distance here is, that is the range, is equals 500 meters. Now we have to find the theta angle of projection, which is theta is unknown. Okay, and they say that our initial velocity was what? 100 meters per second. So therefore, recall that from the formula, range or the horizontal distance is equal to u squared sine 2 theta all over g. So which is equals to, now u squared is the initial velocity 100 square times sine 2 theta all over, you know that g is always what? 10. That is gravitational constant. So you have that, you know that range was what? 500. That becomes 500 is equal to what? This square will give 1000 sine 2 theta all over 10. So cross multiply it. This times will give what? 5000 is equal to what? 10,000 sine 2 theta. So therefore sine 2 theta is equal to what? 5000 into 10,000 will give you what? Will give me, so that becomes sine 2 theta is equal to 0.5. So 5000 into 10,000 will give me what? That is 0.5. So therefore sine 2 theta is equal to 0.5. So now to find 2 theta, therefore 2 theta is equal to sin inverse of 0.5, which is what? 30 degree. Now to find theta alone, theta is equal to what? Divide this all through by what? 2. So that theta is equal to what? Half of it, which is what? 15 degree. You understand? So since theta is 15 degree, to theta is what? 2 times theta, which is equal to 30 what? Degree. Okay, so therefore theta is 15 degree, and to theta is what? 2 times 15, which is what? 30 what? Degree. So that is the what? Answer. So I have question number 4. So question number 4 says that we have to say that a simple pendulum of length 0.36 meter is displaced at an angle of what? 10 degree, right? Now, and release, we have to find the frequency of oscillation. So solution to solve this, we have to find the frequency of this oscillation. Now, given that the length of the pendulum is 0.36 meter, right? And angle displaced is what? 10 degree. We have to find the frequency. You know that this angle here is not necessary, you understand, to do the calculation. Okay, I can ignore this angle, so I want to ignore this angle, so let do it straight. So I have to find the frequency is equals what? 1 over 2 pi root of g over l. To find the frequency of a pendulum bubble, that is f equals 1 over 2 pi root of g over l, which is equals to 1 over 2 times pi is what? 3.142 times g is what? 10, all over length is what? 0.36, right? So that becomes 1 over 2 times we give what? 6.284 times square root of what? 10 divided by this will give you 27.78. So that becomes 1.6.284 times, now square root of this will give you what? 5.27 all over 1. So that 1 times this will give you 5.27 over this times will give you what? 6.284. So divide this will give you equals to 0.84 So this is what? My frequency. Okay, so I have question number 5. So our question number 5. Question number 5 says that 5a says that a 3 kilogram object originally at rest in an inertial frame is subjected to a constant force of 4 Newton for 10 seconds. Now we ask what is its final speed. Okay, so given that what's the max? Given that the max here is what? 3 kilogram, the force is 4 Newton, and the time is 10 seconds. We have to find the speed. Now therefore, to find the speed or velocity, first we have to find the acceleration. Okay, so I know that force equals to mass times acceleration. So force is equal to 4 is equal to max is 3 times a. So divided by coefficient of acceleration all through. So acceleration is equal to 4 over 3. So therefore acceleration equals to what? 4 divided by 3 will give you what? 1.33 meter per second what? Square. So now to find the speed, using the formula what? Speed, that is velocity, is equal to u plus at. So I know that initial velocity is always 0. So 0 plus a acceleration is 1.33, right? Times what's my time? My time was 10 seconds. So velocity is equal to what? 1.33 times 10 will give what? 13.3 meter per 1 seconds. Okay. So our question number 5b. Question number 5b says that we say find the centripetal acceleration of a particle at the tip of a fan blade having a radius of what? 5 centimeter. Okay, and rotating with a frequency of what? 16.67 Hz. Now to solve the solution, we also that given that the radius is 5 centimeter, right? Now I know that I have to convert it to meter will give you what? Divide by 100 will give you 0.05 meter. Okay, now and the frequency is what? 16.67 Hz. Now we have to find the centripetal acceleration is unknown. So I know that to find the centripetal acceleration, first find the velocity, and also to find the velocity, first find the what? The time. Okay, so everything here is being linked. Okay, that's one thing in physics. Every equation is linked to the other. Do you understand? Every formula is linked to being linked to the other. So therefore now to find the time, you know that time is equal to 1 over f. So it was 1 over my frequency was what? 16.7. So that becomes 1 over 16.7, which will give more 0.06 seconds. So therefore now to find the velocity now, velocity is equal to v equals to u plus gt. So I know that u is always 0 plus g is always 10 times my t is 0.06. So therefore that becomes 0. This times will give me what? 0.6. So this plus will give me 0.6 meter per second. Now since my velocity is 0.6 meter per second, now it's easy for me to find my centripetal acceleration. I know that formula for centripetal acceleration is what? Is v square over r. So which is equal to my v is here is 0.6 all square. That is v square all over my r is a radius which was 0.05, right? over 0.05, which is equal to this square will give you 0.36 all over this 0.05, right? So this divided by this will give me what? 7.2 meter per second square. So therefore, my centimeter acceleration is what? 7.2 meter per second what? Square. That's the final answer. Very, very simple. Please, guys, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. Thank you.